Welcome to the product tour of Why Eat There. As students staying on campus, supper orders are a regular part of hostel life. Students will likely order delivery for supper at least once a week, and often invite others to order with them. However, there are limitations to the current implementation of supper ordering. One limitation is that users have to type out their orders, so they already have to know what orders are available or have to search for the order items online. Another limitation lies with our current payment system, where people have to remove their names after they have paid. However, there were times where the person who helped to pay for supper first did not get the full money back. This is because some people forgot to include GST or service charge in their total bill. There were even times when people completely forgot to pay for their food. We thought of the best way to implement improvements to this system, and we eventually settled on using Telegram bots. Firstly, Telegram is one of the most popular communication platforms for university students. And secondly, we felt that accessing a web app or downloading a mobile app would be redundant as it would require additional steps instead of simply ordering in a chat group. To counter this, we introduced our Telegram bot, Why Eat There. The bot streamlines the ordering and payment process so that ordering supper would be a more pleasant experience. Our bot allows users to view menu items and collate orders easily, and automatically calculates each user's payment amounts. Our bot has three main features: ordering, payment, and reviews. Let's take a look at each of these features. The first feature is the order feature. The order feature makes it easier for users to order, as they do not have to remember various items and their prices. They also do not have to type out a new message with each order item added. The order feature shows the menu items from the actual menu. The order modules menu is neatly organized according to different categories. This simulates the experience of flipping through a real menu, but without a visual display. Users can order with just a simple click. Users can add remarks as well, such as requesting for no chili. The chat also shows the order summary so they don't have to type it out themselves. And finally, users can remove orders easily as well. Next, let's go on to the payment feature. The payment feature helps to calculate the total amount that each person has to pay, inclusive of delivery fee and service charges. We also made it such that the delivery fee will not be counted if there is free delivery, which from previous experience we know it requires an order of at least $50 from this particular restaurant. In the past, users had to delete their names from the message and send a new message. This would lead to problems like having too many messages being sent in the chat group, which will clog up the chat group with payment messages. Now, they can just remove their names using a single click of a button, and their names will be automatically removed from the list without sending any further messages. However, our bot is not linked to actual payment platforms, and clicking the button will not actually pay the user who ordered. Users have to pay on their own on other platforms like PayLah before coming back to clear their name. Hence, it is also based on trust between users. To ensure that users will make their payments, we implemented reminders. Before anyone can start a new order in the future, users have to settle their previous outstanding payments. This ensures that users will not forget to pay, as the bot will send a message to the chat with the names of the users who have not paid yet. Lastly, let's take a look at the reviews feature. Users can review items after they have finished paying. This is an optional step. It's helpful for them to see the reviews because normally, they have to ask their friends what is good. The review feature allows them to see how well liked certain items are and make their orders accordingly. Users can rate each item from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best. After collecting reviews, every item in the menu will have a rating next to it. If there is insufficient data, the menu displays no rating. When more users use the bot, the data will become more accurate, and the ratings of each item will also become more stable, allowing users to accurately tell which items have been found to be very popular and which items weren't so well liked. We use the data collected to generate a best sellers list so that people who want recommendations can simply head to the best sellers menu and order those popular items directly. As we collect more reviews, the best sellers list will update constantly as different items become more popular. This could also allow the restaurant to know what items are the most popular and adjust their services accordingly. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you have enjoyed our product tour.